Look how compact that is. That is nice. I like that. I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you guys and let you see how quickly I can open it up and put it on the boat for wider. You got a knob there. This probably takes around about a minute to 2 minutes. And there you go. It's done. So you can see I'm riding right outside the keel line there. There's that one. So I'm going to pull these tight. Pull this one tight. Then take this excess, toss it in there, and there you go. That's completely set up. To lower the kickstand, you can kind of... There you go, kickstand's disengaged and somebody hit a little chirper at the same time. Went nicely up and over all these tree roots. I am very impressed with this cart. Stayed in place the whole time. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, this is steep. All right, so we walked the entire trail. I'm using this back put in back here instead of like the boat dock over in there. But check this out. I ended up going, it's probably, you know, I needed to work out anyway. It's like maybe a half-mile hike around. Look how well that cart held. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna break it all down, put it in the boat, and then start my paddle out and have a nice little fishing day.